the 1971 Plymouth Cuda 340. Let's check it out today in the garage. This is perhaps my favorite of all the E-bodied MOPARs, the 71 Cuda. I just love the styling. I love the front end of this car. It has a series of little gills in the grille. It has these cool driving lights, these little spoilers on the front. It's got so much going on. The parking lights are super cool. Kind of reverse Penn-Star design in it. Love the hood and the big billboard on the side. 340, that was an option. Just a really, really cool car. This is a small block, 340. They also had Hemis and 383s, but this was an optional car. It's rated at 275 horsepower. Pretty quick little car, even though it's a small block. They made 3,100 of them. This is one of 1,141 four-speed cars with the pistol grip four-speed, another totally cool feature. This car is well restored. Beautiful color. I love it. The metallic, bronze metallic for MOPAR Geeks. It's GK6 color code. It's an unusual color scheme, and I really, really like it. It fits this car well somehow. It's just a really, really neat design. I mean, it's just well executed all the way through, and again, a real high quality restoration. There's the big, just a little 340, but these are fast little cars. It's a fun car. I love seeing these things. And it's just a treat to see such a well-restored, nice car at the Goodguys. Just thought I'd share it with you guys. Check it out. Thanks for visiting. We'll catch you next time in the garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.